Hello, my friends, and welcome to Mince Puong English. Today, you are starting something powerful, something that can change the way you speak English forever. It's called shadowing. Maybe you have heard of shadowing before. Maybe this is your first time. Either way, don't worry. In this video series, I will guide you step by step. And the best part, each practice is only 5 minutes. Yes, just 5 minutes. So let me ask you, have you ever listened to a native English speaker and thought, wow, they speak so fast. I will never sound like that. If you have, this video is for you because today you will learn how to copy real English speech, improve your pronunciation, and sound natural just by practicing for a few minutes a day. Stay with me until the end because by the last part of this series, you'll be able to shadow full sentences like a native. But first, let me explain what is shadowing. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. Imagine you are a shadow wherever I go. You follow whatever I say. You repeat. That's shadowing. It is not just repeating after me. You don't wait for me to finish. You try to speak with me almost at the same time. This is how you train your ears, your mouth, and your brain to work together in English. Think of it like music. When you sing along to your favorite song, sometimes you don't even know every word, but you follow the rhythm. That is shadowing. Why shadowing works. Shadowing works because you hear natural English, not textbook English, but the way people really speak. You copy the rhythm and sound. English is like music. If you copy the beat, you sound natural. You train your brain to think fast. No more slow translations in your head. You just speak. Many students tell me, Miss Puong, I study grammar, but when I speak, I feel shy and slow. Shadowing fixes that. You stop thinking too much and you start speaking automatically. How we will practice. In this series, we will practice together in 5-minute chunks. Each part will get a little harder. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. Practice is more important than perfection. Here's what we'll do in every practice. I say a short phrase. You shadow me, repeat with me at the same time. We practice again, slowly, then faster. By the end of each part, you will feel more confident. Let's try right now. Ready? Let's do your very first shadowing practice. Listen and repeat with me. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Good. Again. Hello. How are you? Now let's try answering. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. One more time. I'm fine. Thank you. Great. You just did your first shadowing exercise. Common mistake to avoid. Many beginners want to be perfect before they start speaking. That's a mistake. Shadowing is not about perfection. It's about practice and rhythm. Even if you miss a word, keep going. Keep moving with me. Over time, you will get better. Remember, don't stop. Don't be shy. Just follow the rhythm. Interactive practice with you. Now, let's imagine you are meeting me on the street. I say, hi, nice to meet you. You shadow with me. Hi, nice to meet you. I answer, nice to meet you too. You shadow, nice to meet you too. See, that is real life English. Short, simple, natural. Let's shadow some useful phrases. Okay, now let's practice a small set of phrases you can use every day. Shadow with me. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How's it going? How's it going? I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Excellent. These are phrases you can use with anyone, anytime. Shadowing challenge. Now, let's try a short dialogue together. Don't worry, it's very simple. Me, hi. How's it going? You, good. Thanks. How about you? Me, I'm great. Thank you. Now shadow all of it with me, like a conversation. Ready, go. Hi, how's it going? Good, thanks. How about you? I'm great. Thank you. Did you feel it? That's how English flows. We are going to make it more fun and more real. We're moving into daily conversations, the kind of English you hear on the street, in shops, or when meeting new people. So stay with me because by the end of this part, you'll feel ready to handle small talk with confidence. Quick warm-up. Before we start, Let's warm up with some of the phrases from part 1. Right, where's here? I name you. Shadow with me. Speak at the same time as me. Ready? Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Hi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How's it going? Good. Thanks. How about you? Perfect. See how natural that feels? You are training your mouth and your brain together. Everyday greetings. Now let's practice some greetings you will hear every day. Shadow with me. Hey, what's up? Not much. How about you? I'm just relaxing. That's cool. Let's try that as a mini dialogue. Repeat with me. Hey, what's up? B. Not much. How about you? I'm just relaxing. B. That's cool. Great. This is how people really talk in casual English. Simple, short, friendly. At the coffee shop, imagine you walk into a coffee shop. What do you say? What do you hear? Let's shadow that. Hi, can I get a coffee? Please. Sure. What size? Medium. Please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. Now shadow the whole dialogue with me. Ready? Hi, can I get a coffee? Please. Sure. What size? Medium. Please. Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. You're welcome. Did you feel the rhythm? That's exactly what you need when you travel or order food. Important tip: stress and rhythm. When you shadow, don't just copy the words, copy the music of English. Listen to how my voice goes up and down. For example, can I get a coffee? Please. The stress is on getting coffee. That's how native speakers sound natural. If you only say flat words, can I get a coffee please, it sounds robotic. So shadow not only the words, but the stress and rhythm. Short conversations for daily life. Let's practice some short, useful conversations. Shadow with me. Conversation 1. Meeting a friend. Hey, how's your day? Pretty good. How about yours? Not bad. Thanks for asking. Conversation 2. Asking for help. Excuse me. Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? I'm looking for the train station. It's over there. Thank you so much. No problem. Conversation 3. Buying something. How much is this? It's $5. Okay. I'll take it. Here you go. Thanks. You're welcome. See how short and simple these are. These are the building blocks of real English. Shadowing challenge. Speak faster. Now, let's try one challenge. I'll read a conversation slowly first. You shadow with me, then I'll say it faster. Like real life, slow, excuse me. Where is the bus stop? B. It's right over there. Thank you very much. B. You're welcome. Fast, excuse me. Where's the bus stop? It's right over there. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Good job. Did you notice how words become shorter when spoken fast? Whereas becomes where's. Thank you very much becomes thanks a lot. That's real English. Interactive question. Now I want to ask you, which phrase did you like the most today? Hey, what's up? Or can I get a coffee? Please. Type your answer in the comments. This is your practice. Writing it down will help you remember. Practice together. Mini dialogue. Okay, now let's do a mini role play. Imagine you and I meet in the street. Shadow both parts with me. Me, hi, how are you today? You, I'm good. Thanks. And you, me, I'm doing well. What are you up to? You, just going to the store. Me, nice. Have a great day. You too. See you later. Shadow this with me one more time. A little faster. Hi, how are you today? I'm good. Thanks. And you, I'm doing well. What are you up to? Just going to the store. Nice. Have a great day. You too. See you later. Was excellent. You sound more natural already. We are going to step into real situations. Imagine you are walking in the street or maybe buying something in a shop. People speak fast. They don't use textbook English. They use real English. That is what we are going to practice today. Stay with me until the end of this part, because we will do a complete street-style shadowing practice together. You will feel like you are really in the U.S. speaking English on the street. And remember, If you are learning something new, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Min's Puang English and comment below. Do you practice English shadowing every day? I want to hear your answers. Situation 1. Asking for directions. Let's imagine you are in New York City. You are lost. You see someone on the street. Excuse me. Can you help me? Stranger. Sure. What's up? I'm looking for the train station. Stranger. Oh, it's just down the street. Turn left at the corner. Let's shadow this together. Repeat after me. Shadowing practice. Excuse me. Can you help me? Sure. What's up? I'm looking for the train station. Oh, it's just down the street. Turn left at the corner. Great. Did you notice something? The stranger did not say. Yes, I can help you. That sounds too formal. Instead, they said, sure. What's up? This is real English. Situation 2. Ordering food. Now let's go into a small restaurant. Server. Hi there. What can I get for you? Can I get a chicken sandwich? Please. Server. Of course. Anything to drink. Yes. An iced tea. Server. Perfect. That'll be $10. Now let's shadow. Repeat with me. Hi there. What can I get for you? Can I get a chicken sandwich? Please. Of course. Anything to drink. Yes. An iced tea. Perfect. That'll be $10. Good job. Notice how the server said, what can I get for you? This is common in American restaurants. They don't usually say, what do you want to eat? That can sound rude. Situation 3. Meeting a friend. Now let's practice meeting a friend on the street. Friend. Hey, long time no see. You? Yeah, it's been a while. How are you? Friend. I'm good. Just busy with work. I get it. Same here. Let's shadow. Hey, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. How are you? I'm good. Just busy with work. I get it. Same here. This kind of English is what people really say. Long time no see is informal but very common. And same here means me too. Mini practice challenge. Now, I want you to practice on your own. I will say one line and you respond with the next line. Ready? I say, excuse me. Can you help me? You say, sure. What's up? I say, hi there. What can I get for you? You say, can I get a chicken sandwich? Please. I say, hey, long time no see. You say, yeah, it's been a while. How are you? Fantastic. You are now speaking real street English. Key phrases to remember. What's up? What's happening? How can I help? Can I get? Common way to order food. Long time no see. Friendly phrase when you haven't seen someone in a while. Same here. Me too. Encouragement. You see, shadowing helps you not only copy the words, but also the rhythm and tone of English. Native speakers don't say words slowly, one by one. They connect them. For example, let's shadow that together. Can I get a chicken sandwich? Yes. That sounds real. We're going deeper. Today, we're going to practice street expressions and slang, the words people use every day in the United States, but that you don't usually find in textbooks. These phrases are short, simple, and powerful. They make your English sound natural. And remember, shadowing is not just about repeating, it's about copying the sound, rhythm, and feeling of real English. Before we begin, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Min's Puang English, and comment below, which English slang word do you already know? Expression 1. No worries. This phrase is super common. It means, it's okay or don't worry about it. Example, sorry, I'm late. Friend, no worries. Now shadow with me. Sorry, I'm late. No worries. Let's do it again. Faster. Sorry, I'm late. No worries. Great. That already sounds natural. Expression 2, my bad. This means it's my mistake. People use it all the time. Example, you bump into someone and say, oops, my bad. Let's shadow. Oops, my bad. Oops, my bad. Notice how short it is. Not, I'm terribly sorry for my mistake. Just, my bad. Expression 3, you good. This means, are you okay? Or do you need anything? Example, friend drops their phone. You ask, you good? Friend replies, yeah, I'm fine. Let's shadow, you good? Yeah, I'm fine. Try again. You good? Yeah, I'm fine. Simple, natural, friendly. Expression 4. What's going on? This is another way to say what's happening or how are you? Example, you see a friend, you, hey, what's going on? Friend, not much. Just hanging out. Shadow with me. Hey, what's going on? Not much. Just hanging out. One more time, faster. Hey, what's going on? Not much. Just hanging out. Expression 5. No big deal. This means it's not important. Example, friend, sorry I forgot to call you back. You, it's no big deal. Let's shadow, sorry I forgot to call you back. It's no big deal. Good, you sound like a real native speaker now. Quick shadowing challenge. Now let's put these expressions together in one conversation. Friend, sorry, I'm late. You, no worries. Friend, I spilled my coffee, my bad. You good. Friend, yeah, I'm fine. So, what's going on? You, not much. It's no big deal. Let's shadow that whole conversation. Ready? Sorry, I'm late. No worries. I spilled my coffee, my bad. You good. We're going to work on something very powerful. Connected speech. Connected speech is how native speakers join words together in everyday conversation. For example, in textbooks you see, I am going to eat. But in real life, people say, I'm gonna eat. If you don't know this, it sounds too fast. But when you practice shadowing with me, you'll start to understand and you'll sound more natural too. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Min Wong English, and comment below which English phrase is hardest for you to understand when people speak fast. Phrase 1, gonna, instead of I'm gonna study, native speakers say, I'm gonna study, shadow with me. I'm gonna study again. I'm gonna study, try one more, I'm gonna eat lunch. Phrase 2, wanna, instead of do you wanna go, people say, do you wanna go, shadow with me. Do you wanna go, again. Do you wanna eat, faster. Do you wanna hang out? Phrase 3, let me, instead of let me help you. People say, let me help you. Shadow, with me. Let me help you. Let me see. Let me think. Phrase 4, gotta, instead of I have got to go. People say, I gotta go. Shadow with me. I gotta go. I gotta finish this. I gotta call my mom. Phrase 5, did ya, instead of did you eat? People say, did ya eat? Shadow with me. Did ya eat yet? Did ya see that? One more. Did ya call him? Mini conversation with connected speech. Now let's put it all together in a short dialogue. Friend, hey, did ya eat yet? You, no, I'm gonna eat now. Friend, do you want to go together? You, sure. Let me grab my bag. Friend, okay, but I gotta be quick. Now shadow the whole thing with me. Hey, did ya eat yet? No, I'm gonna eat now. Do you want to go together? Sure. Let me grab my bag. Okay, but I gotta be quick. Amazing. You just spoke real fast English like a native. Why this matters. When you learn only textbook English, the clean version, but when you listen to real people on the street, they don't say the full form. They cut words. They connect sounds. By shadowing connected speech, you train your ears to understand and your mouth to speak naturally. Quick shadowing drill. Let's do a fast practice. Repeat after me. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. Do you want to try? Do you want to try? Let me help you. Let me help you. I gotta finish this. I gotta finish this. Did ya see it? Did ya see it? And it's a very special lesson because now you're going to use everything you learned in one big practice session. So far, you've practiced greetings and introductions, ordering food and asking for help, street English expressions, connected speech like gonna, wanna, let me, gotta, and a dear